What's up guys, I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV-MC. Today I'm going to show you guys how to get around one of the common issues with these XR650Ls. Right here we have our Honda XR650L. We were out on an adventure ride and we shut this off. It wouldn't start back up. It only sat for maybe 3 minutes. And so we started checking obvious things like fuel flow. That was fine. We checked the spark. We didn't have spark. So one of the common issues with these bikes is, a CDI issue. Now what happens with these, there's a ton of little soldered connections in here, and sometimes they get cracks in the soldered connections. So if you squeeze this or tap it, sometimes those connections can be remade and get you out of trouble. So that's what we did with our bike. This started right back up. But it's a temporary fix. We had to do that 3 or 4 times to get us back home. But we're in the shop now. We need a more permanent fix. So this is a Neutron replacement CDI. It's a great replacement option and it's a lot more affordable than stock. So let's go ahead and get this replaced. The first thing we need to do is remove the side cover by undoing the quick screws. Now typically they're going to stay on the side cover even though one of ours didn't. Then you can pull back on the tabs on the rubber battery cover and move it down. After that, I'm going to use my 8mm T-handle to remove the battery holder. Then we can disconnect the negative battery cable. Next, we'll slide the CDI out from the back of the battery box and disconnect both of the connectors by using our thumb to pull out on the tabs on the side, and then we're just going to pull the connectors out. Now we need to remove the rubber casing from the CDI and put that on the new one. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and make your electrical connections and make sure the connectors snap into place. You can pull back on those connectors to make sure they're clipped in all the way. Then from here, we can go ahead and reconnect the negative terminal and reassemble everything in the exact same way that we took it apart. The last thing we need to do is start the bike up and make sure it runs. Now that's all there is to replacing the CDI on your Honda XR650L. Hopefully these tips can get you out of a pinch if you ever run into that situation. And if you need a replacement CDI, we have the Neutron or the OEM CDI on our website. So check that out and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV-MC. Thanks for watching.